Coming straight into cat-cow or straight into press.
I choose to teach integral yoga because it's my favourite form of yoga. I've been practicing yoga since I was 17 or 18 years old.
And then gently bend.
I used to practice integral, Iyengar, Drew yoga, yin yoga, and for me, integral yoga is very gentle paced. You don't have to be flexible to do yoga. The reason for doing yoga is to become more flexible. You're really encouraged to listen to your body, go at your own pace. Pregnant ladies are accepted within the class. I can modify positions for them, and it's suitable for all ages, men and women. Beginners can come and try out a class before they sign up for a full course. They can just come along and see if the class is suitable for them, and then if they wish to sign up, there's 6-week courses they can sign up for.
Releasing that.
I've been in 2 car accidents where I've hurt my back and hip, so I know what it's like to go to a yoga class and not be able to do certain postures, so I always offer lots of different options for people. My class focus is on really de-stressing the body and the mind. We all work and are so busy in our everyday lives, and I just want to give opportunity for people to take an hour, hour and a half out of their lives to relax, de-stress. We focus on breathing techniques, and we always finish with a really long relaxation.
May the entire universe be filled with peace and joy, love and light. Honour the light within you.